Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money on PayPal. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say somebody wants to send you money through PayPal. There are a few different options to be able to do that. The first option is you can hit the send and request button at the very bottom center. And you'll be able to see it says send or request money with a link. So I can tap that at the very top. And it says, all right, PayPal link, I'm going to add an amount. I'm going to request $10 and I'm going to put a note. This is for food. And then hit the request button. And you can see it says your request for $10 and I can hit create a PayPal link. This will automatically create that link and I can hit share PayPal link. And then it pops up with a text message or I could email it, stuff like that. However, let's say you didn't necessarily want to go through all of these steps. Another option is to tap that QR code at the very top right and then tap on your code. This will show you your QR code that anyone else can scan that QR code and then essentially just send you money. It's a really easy thing to do directly in the app. What the other person would do is hop into the scan side and then just scan that QR code that you show them. Now, there is a third option to be able to receive money. And that third option is you can always just send them an invoice. To be able to do that, let's tap on those three lines at the top left. And then let's scroll down and you can see send invoice. You can tap on that. This is more official. If you're wanting to get paid for certain services like I babysitted or I mowed your lawn or something like that, where you want an actual receipt indicating that they paid you. In this case, I can say, again, they owe me $10 and I can hit next. And you can see I can hit send the invoice. And then I can choose who I want to send that to. Let's say I wanted to send that to Aaron or Alana or anyone else. I can send it to them. And then essentially they'll be able to pay that. And I'll have a receipt indicating that they paid me that amount of money. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.